for question number 15, it's given that the value of the function. So this is question number 15, and our function is f of x is x square when x is greater than equal to 0 and kx when x is less than 0. So this function is defined on the number line when x is equal to 0. For the left hand derivative, it's kx and it's x squared. Okay, now it's differentiable at x is equal to 0. So since this function differentiable at x is equal to 0, so that means the left hand derivative should be equal to right hand derivative. And how do we find the left hand derivative? In terms of limit h. So this is limit of x, sorry, this is limit h tends to 0 negative, which is the left hand derivative, and f of x plus h minus f of x upon h, and right hand derivative is denoted by x tends to 0 positive, f of x plus h, f of x upon h. Now for the left hand derivative, the function is kx. So okay, before that, our x is 0, which gives us a limit left hand derivative is f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. Limit h tends to, this is h. No. Okay, now for the left hand derivative, the function is k of x. So the function is k of x, so that means f of 0 plus h. So f of 0 plus h is f of h. So I can write it as this is f of h minus f of 0 is, this is f of 0 plus h, which is f of h, and this should be kh. So this is kh and f of 0. So f of 0 for left hand derivative is k into 0, which is 0 upon h. And for the right hand derivative, the value of the function is x squared. So this is f of h, and f of 0 is 0 upon h. Now let's put in the value of the function for the left hand and the right hand derivatives. So f of h is, this is kx. So instead of x, we are going to put h. So this is h by h, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0 positive. And for the right hand derivative, the function is x squared. So this is h squared by h, and this gets cancelled. So this gets cancelled, and here it's x, and this is equal to 0. So this is h, and we put the value of h, which is 0. So k is equal to 0. So this gives us a limit h tends to 0 positive, which is h, and if we put h, that is equal to 0, so k is equal to 0. And k is equal to 0, so the right option is option D. Let's move on to question number 16.